you all for tuning into my video. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So I don't want to do too much talking. Today we are going to be creating some cardstock earrings. And I am using this paper here I purchased from Michaels. They have a variety of different patterns here. These are super cute. So I went ahead and cut out my shape using my Cricut maker. So this is the shape I'm going with, and this is the cardstock that I chose. And for my middle part, I'm also using cardstock, but I duplicated them 5 times, and I also applied the hole because we need our earring hardware. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and take your pieces. I believe this is 65-pound cardstock. You want to grab you some Modge Podge, and you're going to start placing these pieces together. Okay, so you just want to place a dab of glue on your main piece. Just trying to pick it up without getting glue on me, but I can use my tool. So of course it's curling because, like I said, this is 65-pound cardstock, but as we continue to layer them, it will get a bit thicker. So I'm just going to line it up with the hole first, and that's how I know if my pieces are even or not. And don't worry if some of your Modge Podge gush out on the side. That's actually pretty good because it can adhere even more. That's how you know it will stay solid. So you repeat this step with all of your pieces. I'm just going to hold it with this piece this time so it doesn't move. Okay, so once you have layered all 5 of your pieces, you will have something that looks like this, and listen to the sound of that. It's a bit more thicker. Okay, so now we can go ahead and add the back piece, and I'm using some gold cardstock. I'm just going to poke this piece out here, and we're layering this exactly how we layered the insides. I'm sorry. Okay guys, now we have something that looks like this, super cute. Love the way that it's turning out. Now we're gonna jazz up our earrings a little bit more. So I grabbed this, I think it's a paint pen. Yes, a paint pen. I grabbed this from Michaels. It is the Craft Smart brand. And we're gonna jazz up the edges of our earring. As you can see, I put this little gold trim around there so that our white will not show. And I'm going to use this pen to do that. So I'm going to just shake it up a little bit. And I'm going to start applying it to my edges. Just going all the way around until you feel comfortable. You can stop whenever. If you want to just add just a little bit, that's fine. I'm going to completely coat mine. So as I'm going around, and if I see that it's too light, I'm just going to press it on the cardstock, I'm sorry, to make it a bit more darker. And this look good to me. This look good. Okay, so now we are done with the main piece. Now we have one more step, and that's to just add our hardware. Now I did remove these off an old pair of earrings that I had because I did not have this style of hardware for the earrings. I only had like the stud ones. So I just used these off a pair of earrings that I wasn't wearing anymore. Just going to go ahead and open that up with this plier here. You're going to insert that hole into the hardware, like so. And then now you're going to close it up. Just making sure that it is not open and it is closed. And this is what we have, guys. Look at this. This is super cute. You can wear them on either side, as you can see. But these turned out really good. They look very professionally made. Look like you can purchase these from the store. Okay guys, so that is the end of the tutorial. I hope that you guys learned something new. I did create these in honor of Black History Month, so I will be creating a couple more. So if you create these earrings, please tag me. I would love to see your creations. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Until next time, stay tuned because we have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.